Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel ForexFS for analyzing the positional views in 2022. So as I promised last week and yesterday in my weekly analysis, I am trying to make an positional video for all the past what I shared in 2022. So that is my gift for a lot of beginners as well as who loves the Elliott wave trading. So before we get into this analysis, nearly DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD, Australian dollar versus US dollar, as well as New Zealand dollar versus US dollar. So total the five pairs, the positional view and that predictions for that 2022. So this is my disclaimer, read carefully, and this is for an educational purpose only, not for financial investments, and I'm not asking any investment, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So this may be wrong also, so you have to understand my view. So let's move on to first DXY. So in the DXY, this is the monthly chart what I'm having. So in this one A, B, and C is got completed. One three-way structure is got completed, right? From here, later onwards bounce and one to the downside. So either this could be, so because I don't have that previous data here, but in Euro USD as well as in GBP USD I got. So in this, it looks like in Euro USD it's a five-way structure. So I will explain in that. But from here in this bottom, how I'm looking this view, right? I will explain this. So now I hide all the things, my drawings, my labelings. So here it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a A, ABC is a B, and C. And this is the connecting wave, right? This is a B, C is A. So I will switch into the weekly chart. Then you come to know that this is the A, this is the B and C. So this is one A, B, C is a one set of corrections got completed, and this is the W. So this is the connecting wave for the further upside. So this is the X, A, B and C. So after that, this is the one bounce A, B and again C. So a lot of people may ask, so this could be the bigger one, bigger two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm not took it this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because we are in the downtrend and this is the bounce. So still I'm expecting the low. So below this 70. So that we will see you in that Euro USD. Later onwards, then I come to this, then only you can understand. But it straight away it won't go to the 60 72 break. It will still one more high to 109. Later onwards it has to come to the downside, but how long it will take, that is the question mark here. So what is the view here, what I'm expecting here? So in this the daily chart, and I have explained several times, right, here also, and in my part 11a, the top to bottom analysis, I explained that you forget about this ABC is a W, forgot about this B, I will delete this. So this is the connecting wave X, A, B and C. So from here this is the end of the trend, but even though it already broken the high, that means here A, B, C, the W, X, Y is completed, and if is it again bullish, then it will make a five-way structure. It's called as XYZ. So that is why we are here. So still Z is going to make to break the above 103.82. That is my analysis and that is my view also. But before that, here it's a little bit confusion for me, because look at this. After this Y, W, X, Y, this is the one looking like an expanding triangle. So triangle can happen only in the B wave or fourth wave or in that X wave. So if we kept this as a 4, right? This, if we kept this as a 1, the 4 is overlapping, and I am not agreed with that. And later onwards here it's all looking like a 3-3-way structure. So that is why we are in the downtrend, we are in the bounce. That is why I have calculated this as a correction pattern here. So here we are in that 5-wave corrective pattern, W, X, Y, X, Z. So far Y is completed here, A, B, C, D, E. So this is an expanding triangle. So I mark it this as a X. Later onwards, you forget about this labelings, because I have a lot of possibilities and then I come to the conclusion. So that is why I'm presented here now. So here it's a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In that formation of that Y is completed here, and this is the X. We are in the A wave. So here it's somewhat diagonal pattern, it completed the A. Later onwards the B, and almost it reaches the 90% here. From here it bounced. So now W, X, Y is got completed, and X is an expanding triangle. So A is also completed, and we are already, B is already completed for me so far, and we are in the C wave. So C wave contains a 5-way structure, or it could be the ending diagonal triangle pattern. So far, that is why I have explained in my weekly analysis also. Previous I thought this could be the 4th wave, but I have already informed that the possibilities, it can come to the downside and again it can may bounce. So it's already came to the downside and again it may bounce. So that means it's the A, B, C as a 1, A, B, C as a 2, A, B, C is a W, X, one more. This kind of wavelength will happen to reach 100. That is my target. So for, look at this, I'm expecting one more A, B, C to reach this level. Later onwards, this is the end of the 3rd wave, and one more A, B, C, and one more A, B, and C. That is the completion to break this level. Later onwards, this level also for the Z wave. Look at this, this is the Z wave. So I am expecting this rally. So this is the A, this is the B and C to break this. But why, when it will completion the, because see, if this Y is already completed, we no need to break this high. So if it breaks this high, we have to consider there is a one more way is upside, still we are in the bullish. So that means it's the A, B and C to complete that Z wave, right? But why I'm asking only to break this and immediately it can break down also? Why I'm expecting this? There is a one more possibility. What is that? So this is the A, this is the B, means C can break only this much, and later onwards there is a one more low to break this low also. So this will become A, B, C, A, B, C, B and C. So this A, So this, what we consider this as a B, this will become B here, and one more C also there. So in between this B wave could be a triangle, sorry, that irregular flat formation, and it may bounce. But basically, practically, if we think, the safer side is to exit once it breaks this previous high, not to wait this. If it breaks, the correction got completed. But if it didn't break, there is a chances for making such a kind pattern. So A, B, C, B, and one more C. There is a lot of chances. There's a forex market, billionaire of markets can, a lot of billionaire traders can, and big institutions, right, will move the market. We are the retailers. We don't know how it will move, but we can predict the market and the possibilities maximum. So we expecting only it has to break, then only the W, X, A, B, C, and this is the end of the Z. You place this target as above this level of 105 or 109, like that. It will do little bit complex correction in B, and it will took more than a year. Later onwards, one more bounce can happen. So this is my detailed view in DXY. So for this 2022, I am looking such kind of price action, whether it is going to complete the five-way structure within this March, April, May, within this month or within this year. See, I'm not practiced in the time zones. So the target is fixed, the destination is fixed. It has to break this 103 and later onwards 103.82. So first we will look for this, and here also I have explained well in this yesterday what I had uploaded. I have explained that, so you just go through that, and this is only for the positional view I am explaining here. So anyway, I am looking for to break 103 and later onwards 103.82. So it can reach up to 105 also. So then this is the corrective pattern of W, X, Y, X, and Z. So this is a 5-wave corrective pattern. So once this completed, and again I'm looking for the downtrend. Okay, so let's move on to that Euro USD, and this is in from the IDC. So here also the same. 1 second, month. Yeah, from here, see, in 1972 we having, but in previous, in the DXY we don't have much data. So here also there's a lot of options. I'm just I did the label count, and I have informed that the labeling is not that much important, only that price action and the structure is the most important, right? So we can make it this as a W, X, A, B, or C, or this could be W, X, Y, X, Z. So anything we can calculate. Otherwise, if you can make it this as A, B, C is a B, C is a B, and C got 5-way structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this fourth is an in that running flat correction, and the fifth way is a wedge formation. The 5-way structure is a wedge formation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The wave 1 is extended, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 is on running flat, and wave 5 is completed. So if we make it this as a ABC is a ABC is a B, and C is a flat correction, we can make it this as a W, this can make it as a Y, W, X, and here is a B, and C. So W, X, Y. That is why I have mentioned here, if we took it this as a leading diagonal also, by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we can make it that kind of also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A leading diagonal of wave A or 1. We didn't know whether what kind of wave structure it is there. Only this picture will tell. So forget about that picture, because that will be around 20 to 30 years it may do, but we don't want that much data. So as of now, from 1972 here till now, see, here is the monthly chart. We will just zoom in the weekly chart. I need to explain more in this. See, in the weekly chart, it looks like 1, 2, 3. After this, yeah, I have mentioned. Later onwards, this is the three-way structure. For me, it looks like only the three-way structures. No, nothing else. Right? So, this is the A, this is the B, and C. It's finished here, not here. So, this A, B, C is a triangle, and the C is his W. If we need to make it this as a B or X, no need to break this low again. It's already broken this low. So that means still we are in the downtrend, but this bounce, it's looking like, for me, it's a B, and C. So this is the connecting wave, and one more A, B, and C. So one set of ABC corrections to complete here. So either we can make it this as a second wave, or B wave, or X wave. But I need one more low, either to break this and this. So the next possibility I'm thinking, if I need to explain, right? See, if in the daily chart, look at this. Here I did as in the weekly weekly chart as a right? But in this daily chart, it looks like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So what is this? This is the double zigzag. That means A, B, C, W, A, B, C, X, A, B, C, Y. So we can make it this as a B, C. A means flat correction, means I need B. Right? B, it will almost nearly 90% we need if it is a flat correction, and that could be a three-way structure, means here it's a 1A, B, C is dead. Again the 30%, only that 50, within the 50%, again it come to the folded into the three-way structure. So this is a W. So if we make it this as a W, and this as a X, and this could be the A, so this could be the B, and we need a C wave. It contains a five-way structure. This could be the wave 1, this could be the wave 2, and beyond the wave 3. So wave 4 and wave 5. So any wave in the second possibilities also, I'm looking to the downside. And if there is a one more possibility, lot of people's asking me in my private messages, this could be the wave 1. I will mark it this as a red. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm not so convinced in the fifth wave. It may be very small, and it is already broken this low. In previous, I did that same thing in past 3 to 4 years before itself. But here it's a W, and we need to make it this as a X, this as a Y. Later onwards, this is the W, this is the X. So later onwards, if we kept this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so if it is the W, this is the X, this is the A, so this is bigger than that, right? It's not acceptable in my mind. So one more, see, lot of possibilities, and we can count it as anything. if we make it this as a W, right? I will just share this. If we make it this as a W, this as an X wave, right? If A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C here, and if this is the X wave, and this is the A, and this is the B, whole thing is the B here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it could be like such a thing of which formation can happen. I will show you that one thing, right? Look at this. This can happen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a lot of possibilities. It can do like such a thing. So here I'm expecting that kind of price action, one thing. Otherwise, as per my analysis, this is the W, this could be the X, A, B and C to complete the Y. Otherwise, if it is a W, X, right, or if you make it this as a Y, this is the X and that is the Z. So anything, if you look forward the previous the DXY, what I did, WX, right, here is a WX, Y, X, Z. I did in the DXY like that. So that labelings is not that much important, but it's important. We can make it, see, such a thing, we can make it as a ABC is A and the whole thing become B, or this is the A, this is the B, means C, we need 5-way structure, that you need to note. But here it's only the three-way structures. That is why I had mentioned here is the W, not this price action is not the fourth way is a triangle and fifth way is already broken the previous law. So this is the end of the completion and this is the new wave. Note this, and you have read or not, I don't know that in Elliott waves there is a, I had read a lot of books, so I didn't remember that in which book I read. That start of the 5 waves may be the end of that 5 waves in the C wave. So that means this is the A, this is the B and C. Because it's, if it is in the expanded flat correction, the C wave also contains the 5 waves, and the starting of the wave 1 is also in the 5 waves. So that is the confusions here for that beginners, for including me. Because until if it breaks this high, we have to consider this as a same expanded flat. But otherwise, if it breaks this, then we have to consider this as a 5-way structure and we need to change this. My view may get wrong, so then we have to label it as according to the price action. So my view, my wave count will be wrong. I'm not saying 100% correct. This kind of that alternative possibilities only will work in this Elliott waves. If you stick into that, if you place this, if you are placing this stop loss, no worries about that. But if you failed to place a stop loss, right, then your account may be in trouble. So we have to place it in invalidation level. That is the very best thing you have to do. So, and I have already mentioned that my stop loss is here exactly at 1.2350, and I have already mentioned that. And lot of people, so I no need to compare, but what I'm trying to explain, you need to learn. That is why I'm insisting. I'm not comparing and I'm not too good, but I'm just explaining. Lot of people's doing and just see lot of messages is coming, but I won't reply to them. Simply I won't reply to anybody, because sometimes I may wrong and he will be right. From here itself I keep on saying this is A, this is the B, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is already completed. We can make it this as a B, C is a W, X, A, B, C, Y is already completed. If it is one more high is also there, means there is a, I have already did that. No need to break this high. That is my view. If it can break this high but not this high, that is my invalidation lot previous. What I am trading here in the previous, my stop is there here. Once it get rejected and it is broke, then low, then I will change my stop loss here. And in December 13th 2021, I already, sorry, 2020, I already did that. You just go through that. I already explained this is a, this is the B, and we are in the C wave. And I am expecting from here itself to the downside, but it didn't make. It didn't done what we expected. So sometimes that is why that labelings, it's all only for reference, not that much important. The price action and the wave structure of 1 2 3 4 5 5 waves, 3 waves, that you need to look only. You need to look only that 3 waves or 5 waves, not to count. So if we count 5 waves, it can be A or 1. If it is a 3-way, that could be a, W or X or Y. It depends upon the structure. So my view, it's the same. It has to break first thing here. Why I'm keep on watching this. If it breaks this, I will book the profit. As I explained in DXY, it can go above the high, and later onwards it can come to this side. There is a lot of chances because we are in the B wave. We didn't know whether the B is already completed or it is in the formation of, it can be a triangle also, A B C D E, and then it can come to the downside. From here it can be, it can go like this. I'm not saying no. So then this will become the triangle. So A B C D E, and then it comes to the downside. So the B is the very tricky one. If we consider the B is already completed and it could be any it isn't alive in any formation. But what we have to do is we need to apply according to our plan, trade plan. So let's move on to GBP USD. I think this may took more than an hour, but this is a worth you need to, because I have already posted all the charts, right? But if you are not understanding and if you are not able to read this, it's a little bit tough to understand. So that is why a lot of people's again asking me to do that, but I already did in 11 part 11, part A, uh, part 11B and 11C. In that I have already explained. Still I am doing that same thing and again explaining little bit detailing. So now GBP USD, see this 1 2 3 4 5. The fifth wave got extended and this is a little bit overlapping, but is all accepted. This is the A, this is the B, and 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the flat correction is got completed. So one A B C is a A. Later onwards, look at this, one A B C is got completed. Later onwards, this is the one A, one B, and C. So we can make it this as a connecting wave, right? One second, I can make it this as a blue color to understand. This is the A, so this is the B, and this is the C. We can make it this a W X Y. So I did this as a blue color. This is the connecting wave for the further downside, and it is not yet broken this low. One impulsive way to the downside is got completed, and see, you have to understand, this is the A B C, this is the A, or it could be W also. I just for reference I placed. So where we are B or X wave, that is the too complicated in this Elliott wave. So what I consider this as a ABC, and I'm looking for that 1 2 3 4 5 waves to break this low. That means ABC is a B, C is a B, and C wave, that is the flat correction, A B C, A B see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is a one flat correction to break this low. So far this A is completed here, this B is also completed here, and we are on that C wave. C could be ending diagonal triangle, right? Or it could be a very fast and the 5 ways to break this low. But what it happening here, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already completed, and later onwards this high is already taken off. So 1, 2, 3 is already completed. So this is the second wave. Later onwards 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is already completed. From here you need to understand, from here, right? That same thing lot of people asked me in the previous itself. This everybody it's forced this as a fourth, and this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, and they completed here. They make it this as a fourth, even though myself I did the same thing in previous. I accepted that. But see, this is the financial market. I had also a little bit fear because lot of people is against me, my view. So I'm only just 5 years old in this Elliott wave theory. From 2014 I'm practicing. It's nearly 7 years. From 2012 it's a 9 years. That 2 years only for the education, and I just in the part time I had read all the Elliott wave principles, and later onwards from the 2016 I applied. From 2016 to 2018 I am in this market as a full-time trader and watching in the demo account. I did all those things, and 2018 onwards only I am in this market in the forex. So lot of people's having in previous itself I followed lot of people's, but everything it is going in my view, but I failed to make their view. So that means I am in the right way. So I'm not following anybody. Now if you just go through my Instagram, or if you go through my Twitter, there is no followers. I won't follow anybody, because see, if I get struck with them and if I bias on their view, my confidence will lose. So, and then from the 2019 2018, in mid of that I stopped to follow lot of pages depending upon the Elliott waves. I ruled my view, that's it. So from there I go deep. It looks like here also I have mentioned that, and this is a three-way structure, and after the three-way structure I need one more down and it will do the same thing, and I'm sure the example also in my previous video. It will break the high, exactly it break the high, and it broke the high, previous high, and it is coming down now. So it is going to break the high, means my may get invalid. But even though I'm expecting when my bias it is coming to the downside only, I'm not expecting it will do like this. I'm not expecting that. But even though sometimes if it is an expanded flat, it can happen. So until if it breaks this, that is the invalidation part. See, these are all not acceptable, right? So for me, I just, this is the one three-way structure, this is the one three-way structure, and this is the one three-way structure, and this is the way fourth. That's it, simply. One second. Yeah, this is the three-way structure, and I need one more three-way structure or five-way structure to break this low 1.14. So this is my view in GBP USD. Later onwards, if it breaks this, then the whole pattern ABCA, ABCB and C, this whole pattern will come to end. But See, this is the one question mark. If this is the ABC as a 1, ABC as a 2, ABC as a 3, ABC is a 4, ABC is a 5, we can calculate if it breaks this 1.1 1.14, immediately it can bounce from here also. That is why I have explained here. Immediately it can bounce, because why means this, we are in the bigger picture. This wave is a B wave. So either if this is the impulsive wave, this is the correction, means in the irregular flat formation, this is the ABC. C could be the 5-way structure. So if we currently, if we took, I will change the color. This is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, means once the 5-way structures got completed below this, for this impulsive wave W, this is could be the X. That is why I have mentioned here. Whether we can make it this as a W or this as a W, there is a chances for making one more high to break this high and one more low. So either if it is breaking now itself, it's fine. Otherwise, if it is not breaking this low, that means there is a chances to break this high and one more low to break this, but it's not a completed structure here. One ABC is A is completed, and this beyond the B wave. So either B way can be A, B, C and one more C to the downside, or from here itself this is the B wave and this is the C wave. It could be simple. So let's move on to Australian dollar, US dollar. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just snapshot this and you can go for my analysis here, what I did. So this is, see, in my part 11 I did some different wave counts for the top to bottom analysis, and this I would be changed also. So this is my view in 2022. That is what I education series, what I posted and shared is again it's around 2020. That view is entirely different, this view is entirely different, but I'm explaining now what I shared my view, how I'm looking this. See, my target is going to reach this 5509 to break. That is my target. So I will explain this, right? So this 5-way structures, and we did 1 A, B, C. It's looking like A, B, C is a zigzag. That is why it's very fast and aggressive, and later on it's one more A, B, C. So one A, B, C is got completed, and we are the one more A, B, C, right? So once this A, this is the B, and this is the 5-way structure, means no need to break this low again. Immediately it need to bounce, but it failed to bounce, and it is failed to again. If it is in one more correction, means at least the 50% or 61.8, but that is also failed because it's a ABC is a flat correction, and we need one more ABC. Nearly it's a 61.8 or 80% level, but it's failed. That means it is doing irregular flat formation for me. So this ABC is a W. Later on, but this is the one more A, B and C. This is also the A, B and C. This is also A, B and C. It is not yet broken this high. You just go through all my videos in the past 2020, 2021. I keep on explaining in some videos. I'm expecting this, and this kind of Fibonacci expansions is also above that rules 1618 cross. That means we need to keep this as an impulsive wave. So if we conclude that also, sometimes you just go through the previous websites of lot of Elliott wave peoples is also accepted. Sometimes wave 1 it will be like this, and wave 2 I will show you that wave 2 it will go like this, and one more C. So after same wavelength it may happen, but in 3-way structures, and we can mark it as this as a 1, this as a 2, and 3-way it can shoot. This is also accepted nowadays. See this, I'm not going for that all the people who are labeling and websites like that, but what I'm explaining, if it is a W, this is a X, this could be Y. So even though if it is not yet broken, you can make it this as another X, and I'm expecting for Z. That is why I have already here mentioned Y or Z. So why I'm expecting this down? Everybody is asking the same thing, right? Look at this. This is one A, B, and C. This is A, B, and C. Later onwards, what we need? One more A, B, and C. Later on, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the flat correction what we read in the book, but it won't happen same thing in financial market. So what it did here is, I will explain this. 1A, B, and C. This is the completion. And later onwards, see, one more A, B, C. What it has to do is one more A, B, C, and C. It will do like this, then that is this thing. After that, but here, this wave, it's got too aggressive, C wave. It's went because of the COVID. So this is the fundamental newses. And let's see how the fundamental, we have calculated the truncation is there, right? The fifth way may be truncation because of the fundamentals. Like that, I myself come to the conclusion in because of this COVID. Otherwise, it can do like this. Because of the COVID, it went aggressively and liquidity all the positions and again bounced. So it did like this, and we are now in the three-way structure. So this part is the connecting wave. Instead of this as a connecting wave, we are connecting wave is here. After this, one more A, B, and C. So now I need this one. You need to understand the concepts behind the Elliott waves, the rules and regulations. So now I consider this as a connecting wave. So for this fall, this is the connecting wave, and again I need one more fall to break this low. Later onwards, if it breaks this low, I'm expecting the bounce. So the whole thing becomes A, this will become B, and the C to break this high. So either after that also it may be a connecting wave and one more high. So it will keep continue up to my 70 to 80 years also. Still 30 to 40 years it may continue like this. But we need to understand here, because of this COVID only it is aggressively come to the downside and again it bounced back. Otherwise it will do like this, and later onwards also I'm expecting the one more way to the downside. So if it is a three-way structure, no need to break. See, if it is a three-way structure and only this is the correction part, we need from here itself to the bounce to break this high, not to break this low. If it breaks the low, means we are in the correction part. Okay, let's move on to New Zealand dollar. See, same pattern 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As per that same Australian dollar, the same we are in that A, B, and C is already completed, and here also one A, B here, and C wave is already dead. So if it bounce, means this is the end of the correction, means we need to break this high in the formation of the impulsive wave, right? If it is a, if this is the B and C, but here it broke the low. That means instead of this A, B, and C, this is the A, B, and C. So whether we can make it this as a C, and later onwards this is the connecting wave. So one more A, B, and C I'm expecting. Otherwise, sometimes if it breaks this high also, that is considered as an expanded flat, and again one more A, B, C is there. So anyway, if it broken this low means I'm expecting one more low to break this, but it will took like this kind, such a kind of formation also. Otherwise it can do like one more A B C D E afterwards. This is could be the expanded flat, and again it can come to the downside. But once the three-way structure is got completed, we need to break the previous high, that is the impulsive wave. But if it is again it's doing the correction, means still we are on the correction part. So a lot of people can ask one more also. If it is a W, right, this is the X, A B C is a W X, so we can make it this as a B C, and it is the completion of the correction also, right? This is a B C is a W, this is a X, A B C, so Y is already completed and we are in that new fresh wave. In previous I also thought like that. As a beginner there is a lot of doubts, and we can make it this as a, see, look at this, and this is the downward bearish trend line is also already broken. I will just 1 second, and we are above that this trend line channel, right? So it is not, if we what if we trade like that, this is not a complete structure. See, these trend lines making sure about that this is the bullish, I accepted that. But if you are taken the trade here, you need to book and you can exit, means it's fine. But if you look, it's already broken the trend line. So in that correction part, if you are looking for the, making this as a high, means maybe that could be expanded flat, but later onwards I'm expecting this only. But for that you need to look for the deeper inner wave formation. So that for you have to watch my weekly analysis, I have explained that. So this is because of that positional view I'm explaining, and I already shared my 17 pairs. So I will, this is the part 1. I had covered a DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD, Australian dollar, and this is the final one, US dollar. So this is the part 1, because this is already, I think 45 minutes it's gone, I think so, 47 minutes, right? So this is enough for this part 1, and in the part 2 we are going to talk about the same positional views for USD CAD, USD JPY, USD CHF. Only for the 3 pairs I'm going to do one more video on the as a part 2. Later on, what's the part 3 contains of Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, AU, AN, and AJ, UJ, sorry, CJ, and Euro New Zealand. That 5 parts I covered in the part 3, and the part 4 is only for the commodities: gold, silver, US oil, and copper. So it's everything. The part 4, up to part 4 I had decided. So you look for the part 2. Hope you enjoyed this what I shared, I have explained here. So I hope you enjoyed, and you learned something from me, and this is only for market commentary and educational purpose only, not a trade signal. Each and every chart contains like this. You must to read all that my idea. That is why somewhat, if they are not patience to read this and not understand, means that is why I made this video. Hope you enjoy, and we will see you in the part 2. Part 2, I think another week it can, I will do that and get ready, and I will upload in that next week. So thanks a lot. We will see you in the part 2 as well as in weekly analysis too. Thanks a lot. Have a nice lovely Sunday to you everybody. Bye.